Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase font size in Windows 10. To learn how to increase font size in Windows 10, simply follow the steps as shown in this guide. So let's start the video. To increase font size, right click on Start menu icon and click on Settings. Now click on Ease of Access. On the left hand side, select Display. Scroll down to make text bigger and use the slider to adjust the font size. You can move the slider to the right to increase the font size or to the left to decrease it. Once you have changed the font size to your liking, click on Apply button. All the changes have been saved and you can see the text size has been increased. So that's how you can increase font size in Windows 10. Thank you.